Welcome to the app Numbers and Boxes. This app is for teaching pre-algebra thinking, fractions, and many other topics. So let's change this to a 2 and drag in 3 2s. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll drag in a box. Drag it in like this, change the dimensions, and we can see the sum of the numbers inside the box. We're now in addition mode, but we can change this to multiplication mode and see the multiplication of the numbers in the box. Now, if we click outside the box, these two disappear. We are in multiplication mode. Let's click the box again, change to addition mode, click outside, and in addition mode, nothing is written. So what can we ask the students? Well, first of all, we can simply click on sum to hide it. Now the question is, what is the sum of the numbers in the box? So let's expose it. Now, a more interesting question could be, let's click this yellow and then click on one of the 2s, and now all of the 3 2s are covered. And now the question is, 3 of the same number together equals 6. What's that number? Now to expose it, we just click the white, and we see the answer. Now, let's see some questions we prepared in advance. So, next page. Here we have fractions. To create a fraction, such as 1.5, we type 1 space 1/2. Drag it out, and here's the 1.5. Let's throw it out of the screen to erase it. And here we see the sum. And here, 4 of the same number equals 10. Let's expose the 2.5. Next question. Here, 6 of a number plus 14 gives us 50. Now, in class, we would like the students to understand that 6 of the squares together have to be equal to 36. And we can illustrate this further by dragging out the number 14. And here we see the 36. Click the white, expose the 6. Next page. Here we have 2 stages. First, the students have to figure out that this is 4. Now, 4 plus something is 13. So this pentagon must be 9. Next page. And here, it's starting to get more interesting. And so we'll use this visual part of the app to illustrate. So let's put these 3 shapes here on the right at the bottom, and we'll do the same thing over here on the left. Now, what did we emphasize? Well, we emphasized the comparison between these 2 boxes. This box over here, the 120, is 13 more than the 107 on the right. So the difference has to be created by this additional pink shape up top. So the pink shape has to be 13. Okay, let's cover it again. We can also solve this in a different way. Let's drag this green shape up here. And we've created 2 pairs here on the left. So we know that each one of them has to be 60, because only 60 plus 60 will give us 120. And once we know that this is 60, well, we know the green shape must be 47 in order to reach the 107. And if we know that this is 47, then the pink shape must be 13. And let's click on the white to reveal it. So we saw here 2 ways to solve this question. One more question using multiplication. We have an app that does factorization, but we can also use this app. So to answer this question, students have to factorize 108. And then the answer would be 2 and 2, and 3 and 3 and 3. Okay, so we hope we gave you a taste of the topics you can touch with this app. Thank you so much for watching.